Do you want to learn how to make quick and easy emotes for your live stream in a matter of seconds? No matter if you stream on YouTube or Twitch, in this video, I'm going to show you how to make your very own emote. Just follow the steps in this video, and at the end of the video, if you found it helpful, hit up the like button and hit up the sub button. So you want to make a fast and easy Twitch emote, but you don't know how? This is how to do it. First thing you're going to want to do is get a picture of yourself. So if you have OBS, open up OBS and go full screen on your webcam. Now, all you have to do is just make a face and take a screenshot. You can either screenshot by right-clicking on your screen and clicking on screenshot, or you can do it on your keyboard by holding the Windows button and pressing the print button, or in the bottom right corner, click down here, then you can go to screen snip, and then you can just screen snip your screen and get a screenshot that way. So there's 3 ways to get a screenshot. Now that we're full screen, we're gonna make our emote. We have an idea on what kind of emote we wanna make, and that's called the what face. I will show you guys an example if you don't know what the what face is. Classic Twitch emotes. I will type it in the chat. That is the what face. We're gonna try to recreate it. Wish me luck.
What the hell? Oh my God, no way.
So awkward, bro. How does he make that face, dude? He's like... That might have been the best one. Here's what we got. Next tutorial is going to be how to make animated Twitch emotes. So once you take your screenshot and you think you got the Twitch emote you want to use, you're going to have to resize it. So you're going to want to crop it. Go to Google and basically search an image cropper. Go to the first one, select images, find your picture. So now you're going to want to crop the image right to your face. Once you think you got it cropped the way you like it, crop the image and download it. So now we're going to go to the Twitch Emote Resizer. Go back to Google, search Twitch Emote Resizer, and then go to the first one. It's Twitch, it's this one right here. Browse the file, find your picture, find your cropped picture. And when you put it into here, it'll resize. And now you have it perfect for Twitch emotes or Twitch badges. And that's how you make a quick and easy Twitch emote. Basically, what you're gonna wanna do next though is just download it, go to Twitch, go to your dashboard, and find your emotes. Upload your emote. We're gonna put this as CalmCool what face. And it's that simple. So if anyone out there is wondering how to make a simple, easy Twitch emote, there you have it. And that's how to make a fast and easy emote for your live stream. I uploaded this one to Twitch because I stream on Twitch, but you can upload it to YouTube. I hope this video helped you out if you're trying to make simple, easy emotes. Leave it in the comments below if it did. I hope you guys have fun making new emotes for your stream. If you liked the video, hit up the like button, hit up the sub button. Also, keep a lookout for the next video on how to make animated emotes for your live stream. Keep it calm, keep it cool, keep it savage, and I'll see you in the next one.